Do you sometimes forget English words when you speak? Don't worry. Many learners have the same problem. Today, I will share 10 simple and helpful tips that can make speaking easier and help you remember words faster. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Use English a little every day. Try to bring English into your daily life. Change your phone settings. Read something short in English, or think of simple ideas in English. The more often you see English, the faster your brain remembers words. Tip number 2. Don't stress about grammar. You don't need to speak perfectly. Focus on sharing your ideas. When you stay relaxed, words will come to you more quickly and naturally. Tip number 3. Choose easy words when you forget. If a difficult word doesn't appear in your mind, say it in a simple way. If you forget amazing, say very good. If you forget tiny, say very small. This helps you continue speaking without stopping. Tip number 4. Practice speaking by topic. Pick one topic each day: food, your day, your job, or your plans, and talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. When you focus on one topic, the related words become easier to remember. Tip number 5. Learn short phrases, not just words. Instead of learning single words, learn small phrases like, I'm ready to, I want to, I think that. These phrases help you speak smoothly without searching for every word. Tip number 6. Listen and repeat daily. Watch English videos or listen to English audio. Repeat short sentences and copy the speaker's voice. Hearing the same words many times helps your brain remember them better. Tip number 7. Keep a simple word notebook. Write new words in a notebook and make a couple of easy example sentences. Review them every few days. This small habit helps you remember words much longer. Tip number 8. Stay calm when you forget a word. If a word disappears from your mind, don't panic. Try to explain it in another way. It's something we use to... It's a thing for... People will understand you, and you'll learn to speak more confidently. Tip number 9. Speak out loud whenever you can. Talk to yourself while doing daily tasks. Say things like, I'm making dinner. I'm going to work. The more you speak, the easier it becomes to remember words. Tip number 10. Connect words to pictures. When learning a new word, imagine a picture in your mind. Learn tree. Imagine a big green tree. Learn bus. Imagine a yellow bus. Your brain remembers pictures faster than text. Try these 10 easy tips every day, and you will remember more words and speak English with more confidence. Thank you so much for watching. Do you also forget words when you speak English? Tell me in the comments. I'm here to help you. And let me know which tip you like the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English tips. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.